The ongoing unrest in West Bengal's Sandeshkhali has spread to nearby areas as well. People in Bermajur have now spoken up against atrocities of TMC Neta, who is absconding right now, Shah Jahan, as well as his brother Siraj. Villagers allege that Siraj forcibly grabbed their land. A police camp has now been set up in Bermajur, where people are coming and registration is being done by the West Bengal police. Locals have come out to file several complaints against both Shah Jahan and Siraj. People in Sandeshkhali, particularly women, have, remember, been protesting against Sheikh Shah Jahan and his aides, levelling accusation of land grab as well as of sexual harassment. Shah Jahan has been absconding since a mob allegedly affiliated with him attacked the Enforcement Directorate officials back in January, who had gone to search his premises in connection with a ration scam, and that's when this entire racket broke out.
Over here in Bermajur, we saw how violence had erupted a day back, and following which, and major complaints of locals, the police over here, the West Bengal police, has set up a camp where people can come over and they can file their complaints. This is a police camp run by Boshirhat Jela Police. This clearly indicates that it's an Obhijog Grohon Kendra, which basically means a complaint registering desk. These people have been coming in over here, wherein they are filing their complaints. Most of their complaints are now on Shah Jahan's brother, that is Shiraz, and in return they are being given their complaints are being accepted, and it's being given it back to them with the stamps of the police station over here, of Boshirhat Police District, Sandeshkhali Police Station. Now, a lot of them who have complained over here, they have claimed that it is Sheikh Shah Jahan's brother, Shiraz, who usurped their land, took in their land and started his own business, and whenever they asked for any kind of remuneration or lease money, they would be tortured or atrocities would happen over there. As per the local police sources, a total of 25 such complaints since morning have been registered over here in a confidence to build up confidence among the locals and villagers by the police. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today.
জমি আমাদের বাবারা থাকতে দীর্ঘ 20-30 বছর যাবতীয় বর্গা জমি চাষ করত।
কোথায় আপনার গ্রাম?
এই বেড়মুজের সামনে, এইটার সামনে চাষ করত। আগের বছর 1 বছর হচ্ছে আর জোর করে সিরাজ ডাক্তার নিয়ে নিল, বলে তোমাদের জমি না, এটা আমাদের জমি।
সিরাজ মানে
ডাক্তার শাহজাহানের সিরাজ শেখ, শাহজাহানের ভাই, শাহজাহানের ভাই নিয়ে নিল।
আপনাদের কোনো টাকা পয়সা কিছু দিয়েছে?
না, টাকা পয়সা কিছু দেয়নি, বলে তোমাদের জমি না, তোমরা হরাও, আমাদের এটা আমার জমি।
কি কমপ্লেন করলেন?
জমির বর্গা জমি আমাদের কাছ থেকে জোরপূর্বক নিয়ে নিয়েছে।
জোরপূর্বক নিয়ে নিয়েছিল? কে নিয়েছিল?
শাহজাহান শেখ, সিরাজ ডাক্তার।
সিরাজ কি ওর নিজের ভাই?
নিজের ভাই, হ্যাঁ নিজের ভাই।
তখন মানে আপনারা প্রতিরোধ বা কিছু
করতে গেলে বা করতে গেলে তখন আমাদের উপরে মারধর হতো।